Hi everyone, this is Petra Cuisine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making this very fluffy pancakes, Nigeria style pancakes, whatever, I don't know. So guys, let me be serious. We're going to be making pancakes for breakfast. So in I went with some flour, 2 cups of flour. I went in with some sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And then we're going to be making our dry ingredients, which are the eggs. So these are my eggs, 1, 2, and I think there's one more, right? Oh, that's 2. So the goal is to make these pancakes as fluffy as they can. So which is while I'm going to whisk the eggs for some time so that I can incorporate some more egg. And I don't want to do the separation of egg whites and egg yolk method. So this would also work, right? This would also work. It will still come out fluffy if you follow these steps I'm showing you right now. So we are going to whisk our eggs some more, give it some beating of its life. And then we're going to introduce our milk. Yes, you can use a full cream milk, you can use filled, whichever one you have available is fine. So you add some milk and then you add some vanilla essence or strawberry essence, whichever one you have available. You just add it. That was what I added after the milk. So you now mix your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients together till combine. So you just add your wet ingredients gently till you've combined and gotten this consistency. You see, we're still mixing, then we'll get our consistency now. So just watch it. Okay, now this is the consistency that we need, right? Just look at it. Not thick, not so more like a lighter consistency than a cake. I don't know. Yeah, I'm right. Yes, lighter than a cake. Then I don't have butter available, so I'm going to use vegetable oil. And I just greased it with some pastry brush, and I'm now going to go ahead to start scooping my batter into the pan. Now please remember to set your fire at medium to low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. So this is it, scoop 2 and scoop 3. So if you want something that is smaller than this size, then you get a smaller cup size, right? That's just it. You get a smaller cup size and then you make it, you use it to put them into the pan, right? If you're enjoying my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't be stingy with that, please. So look at how beautiful our pancakes are. Kai, these pancakes has skincare routine. Like see how cute they are. Like very fresh, and you can see now that it's very fluffy. So this is it, guys. This is it. Do you even know that when I saw how beautiful these pancakes turned out, I didn't wish I should eat it. Like I wish I could just stare at it without eating it. But then my must chop. So I went ahead to do that till I finished my batter. So this set went off and then I scooped in another set, and just like that. I think these ones are not as cute as that first one, but they are still good. Trust me, they're still good. But isn't it funny how I would say make breakfast with me or something breakfast recipe, and I'm shooting it in the afternoon, or maybe I started in the morning and then I'm finishing in the afternoon, just because we want to make it very detailed for you guys. So the least you can do is to please support me, support my craft, support my knowledge, support what I offer to you guys, right? Because it's really not easy. So please some subscribe, then you comment if you think it's something you would try out. Now I am making some scrambled eggs that I'm going to be pairing the pancakes with. So some eggs, a little bit of milk to it because I like the taste it gives it, and I added some cayenne pepper and then a little bit of salt for taste. So and I just go ahead to scramble them and till it's finally done, and then we can enjoy it with our already fluffy pancakes, right? Now these are ready, and then these are the pancakes, and these are the scrambled eggs, and the star of the show is this. I'm going to be pairing mine with some Greek yogurts. Yes, some Greek yogurt. I hope I didn't disappoint you much because I know you would think I'll be pairing some hot chocolate or coffee. No, guys, Greek yogurt to the world. So make sure you subscribe, like my video, leave me a comment, and then I'll see you next time. Bye.